Hey guys, and what's up TFS? It's your girl FunSize back with another creation to inspire your fun side. Be sure to click on that subscribe button and turn on that alert bell as well. I'm aiming to drop some inspiration weekly. We're making some of my fun themed baskets that's great for any last minute occasion. You can also purchase one from my website, so let's get into this video. This fun basket is great for a house guest, someone going away to school, or even a housewarming. This fun basket is great for a night for two, or maybe a movie night for the family. It's a great gift for not only Valentine's Day, but any time of the season. This fun basket is great for any friend or family member who loves to travel. Everyone needs an emergency travel kit, and you're the hero at the end of the night when it's needed. I decided to add in a bonus because I love you guys so much. I want to give a big thanks to Tom's Crafts and Treats on YouTube for inspiring this creation. And there we have it guys, 3 now 4 quick last minute fun baskets that can fit any occasion. If you tried one, be sure to send me pictures and tag me on my Instagram @_FunSizeCreations. I want to see all of your pictures. I want to thank you guys for watching, and as always, remember, learn to love yourself before trying to learn to love anyone else. Later for now guys, and be sure to check out my site if you're interested in purchasing any of my merchandise.